after that, the step number 3, we have seen that it is to convert the internal activities into external activities. So here we can see the activity number 6 was to clean the filter and check the moving parts for wear and tear. So how we can externalize? So instead of cleaning these filters when the machine is being stopped, we can simply replace these filters with already clean filters, another set of filters we can simply replace. So we will be much more quicker, and the cleaning of the filters can be done offline when the machine is running. Another activities we are performing here is we are checking the moving parts. So we are unscrewing the cover, metallic cover here, and then we are checking if the parts are okay, and then we are screwing again the cover. So we can ask the team how we can externalize, how we can do this activity quicker. One example could be that we would have a transparent cover in which we need not to unscrew the parts, and we can just see anytime that the moving parts are in good shape. We have externalized this activity completely because we need not to stop the machine for doing this activity. So by doing this we can save our time. For example, activity number 6 took us before 20 minutes. Now we can replace the filters, and inspection we can do any time of the moving parts. So we have finished this activity in just 5 minutes.